Fitness, and fitness once again. What's up, 23% Nation? This is your man, Coach D. Today, I'm back with Fitness Friday. That's right, guys. It's Fitness Friday. The Fitness Friday video series where basically we talk about everything related to fitness, exercise, and working out. Now, with this video, I have two objectives. Number one is to educate you about fitness so that it's fun and easy. And number two, I want to let you know exactly how you can use the 23% challenge to help improve your physical wellness. Now, the first fitness concept that I would like to discuss is called the DFITT Principle. I'll say it once again. It's called the DFITT Principle. Now, there are two things that we need to be aware of when we talk about the DFITT Principle. Number one, DFITT is actually an acronym. Basically, the D stands for diet, the F stands for frequency, the I stands for intensity, the first T is type, and the second T is time. Also, the DFITT Principle is all about breaking workout plateaus. Now, I do understand that a lot of us may not know what a plateau is, but don't worry, I'll define it in a little while. But first, I have a question for you. And that question is, are you stuck? Meaning, are you no longer getting the results that you really want when you're working out, right? Are you not losing any more weight? Are you not getting any bigger or stronger? Are you not getting any faster? Or maybe you're an athlete and maybe your balance, your agility, and maybe your stamina are stagnant. Well, ladies and gentlemen, 23% Nation, if you meet any of these qualifications, unfortunately, you are stuck at a plateau. So now the question is, right, is how do we get beyond the plateau? How do we get unstuck? Well, here we go. But before I tell you how to get unstuck, I want to define exactly what an exercise plateau is. Basically, an exercise plateau is a period of time that your body no longer responds to your diet and fitness routine. So, how do we get unstuck? Well, in this video, I want to talk about the second variable of the DFITT Principle. Now, if you want to go back and rewatch, or shall I say watch for the first time, the part one, we talked about the first variable, which is diet. Now, this is part two, where we're going to talk about the second variable, which is frequency. Now, what is frequency? It's easy. Frequency simply relates to how often you exercise. So in other words, how many days per week are you exercising? Now, to increase frequency, I want to offer you two suggestions. Number one, you can always increase the number of days that you actually work out in a week, or just simply plus one, right? So currently you're maybe working out 1 day a week. Well, plus one. Now you're at 2. Maybe you're working out 3 times a week. Plus one. Now you're at 4. Maybe you're working out 5 times a week. Plus one. Now you're at 6. Another way that we can increase the frequency is to maybe increase the number of times we work out per day. But of course, you only want to do this if you have the time. So be careful. Now, there is a warning that I want to let you in on. You definitely want to avoid exercising every day. So if you're currently working out 6 days a week, you definitely do not want to plus one, and now you're at 7 days a week. The number one reason why you do not want to work out every day of the week is because that can lead to overtraining. So we definitely want to watch out for overtraining. Now, here's the second objective that I want to accomplish with this video is how can the 23% challenge help me improve my physical wellness? Well, guys, you gotta remember Exercise Day. I want to invite all of my listeners to participate in Exercise Day. Now, Exercise Day It is just how it sounds. On exercise day, you're going to exercise. Now, you have three options. Number one is to lift weights. Now, lifting weights, that can be done in any shape or form. You can use your own body weight, you can use weight machines, or you can use free weights. Number two is to perform some type of group exercise class. Now, you may want to do a yoga class, maybe a spinning class, or maybe even a boot camp class. And number three is to participate in some type of outdoor activity. So maybe you enjoy water. So maybe you can go swimming in a lake, a pond, a pool, or maybe the ocean. Maybe you enjoy cycling. So go ahead, get the family, get your friends, get your associates involved in maybe doing a group cycling outdoor class, right? And last but not least, for those of us who enjoy walking, maybe jogging, or maybe even running, find yourself a nice park with a lot of trees. Now, because this is an outdoor activity, you definitely want to make sure that you're wearing the appropriate clothes and shoes, and definitely do not forget to drink water. So in other words, carry water with you wherever you go. Now, that also pertains to your weightlifting activities and your group exercise activities. Well, guys, believe it or not, that's all that I have for you today. Always remember, let's eat well, feel well, think well, do well, be well. This is your man, Coach D. I'm signing out. Always remember to take care, God bless, and never ever forget that Coach D loves you.